Firmware updates are essential for keeping your Sony WF earbuds performing at their best. They provide improvements to audio quality, battery life, noise cancellation, and introduce new features. Regular updates also fix bugs and address security vulnerabilities, ensuring a smooth and secure user experience. Staying up to date guarantees you're getting the most out of your earbuds. First, make sure your Sony WF earbuds are paired and connected to your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth. Next, verify that your mobile device has a stable internet connection. Wi-Fi is recommended for reliability. Finally, ensure your earbuds have at least a 50% charge to prevent interruptions during the update. Also, have the latest version of the Sony Headphones Connect app downloaded from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Open the Sony Headphones Connect app on your device. The app will automatically detect your connected earbuds. If an update is available, you'll see a notification on the app's main screen. Tap the notification to begin the update process. Follow the on-screen instructions, which usually involve accepting terms and conditions and confirming the update. The app will guide you through each step, showing progress and providing important warnings like not powering off the earbuds during the update. Sometimes updates might fail. The first thing to try is restarting both the Sony Headphones Connect app and your earbuds. Ensure your Bluetooth connection is stable and that you're within range of your device. Move closer to your phone if needed. If the issue persists, a factory reset of your earbuds might be necessary. Consult your user manual for specific instructions. In rare cases, compatibility issues with older Android versions might occur. Check Sony's support website for potential patches or workarounds. Recent Sony WF firmware updates have focused on several key areas. One major improvement is AI-driven adaptive sound profiles, which intelligently adjust noise cancellation based on your environment. Other updates have enhanced wind noise reduction. Updates have improved latency for gaming, and even added real-time translation features through cloud AI. Sony is also working on reducing update file sizes to minimize data usage and carbon footprint, aligning with sustainability goals. Check your update logs in the Headphones Connect app to see the changes. Looking ahead, Sony WF earbuds are expected to receive even more advanced updates. Expect to see fully autonomous updates with zero-touch installation, allowing your earbuds to update themselves automatically without any user intervention. Future updates might also incorporate integration with AI assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant for voice-commanded upgrades. Future updates might also incorporate blockchain-like verification for enhanced security, ensuring firmware integrity and protecting against tampering. Sony aims for longer update support cycles, up to 7 years, to reduce e-waste and keep your earbuds performing optimally for longer. To check your current firmware version, start by opening the Sony Headphones Connect app on your smartphone. Once the app is open, navigate to the Settings menu by tapping the menu icon or Settings gear. In the Settings menu, look for the About section or a similar option that displays device information. In the About section, you will find the current firmware version listed. It typically appears as a version number like 4.0.2. Compare this version with the latest release notes available on Sony's official website or check for updates within the app to ensure you have the most recent firmware. Regular firmware checks help you stay updated with the latest enhancements, bug fixes, and improvements for your Sony WF earbuds.